Hello YouTube, this is Brandon Reed here. Thought I'd show you a video of my 765 locomotive running. Now, probably most of you know, though there aren't a lot of you out there. I don't have many subscribers. But to the subscribers that I do have, I have told you that this engine has gone under somewhat of an overhaul. There was a piece missing, and I still need to get a bell and number boards for that, but today I thought I'd show you a video of how much this thing can pull. Now, like I said, Rivarossi Berkshires have a lead weight motor, meaning that they can pull a lot of cars. I've seen videos of this one guy who owned a 770, like I have a 770, and he pulled a pretty long train, meaning these engines with that lead weight motor, it's a lot more powerful than an AHM motor. So with that being said, it probably means that this engine could pull a lot of cars or more. I don't know. I don't even know if there is more than a lot of cars. But anyways, I'm gonna show you this thing running. And here we go. This engine's kind of a bit jittery, and I have to run it slow first, because I want to make sure that piece of plastic that we glued on does not fall off. This engine's pulling so many cars right now. Once you see the caboose come around, you're going to see the engine come around, meaning the train's practically chasing itself. Well, YouTube, this has been a video of my 765 pulling a really heavy train. surely it could pull more. And remember, if you see this video, like, comment, subscribe, and hope that we can find another number board for this engine and the bell. This is Brandon Reed signing off.